G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. In Australia we call it tomato sauce, other places ketchup. Same thing, but it's also not exactly healthy too. So join me today as I make my version of a healthier version of keto ketchup. Now this truly couldn't get any easier than this recipe. It's all done in one pot over the stove. So for our base, we're going to use some passata. Now you want to use anywhere from 400 to say 680 like this one is. Grams of sauce. So with this pot over the low heat, we're just going to pour in our passata sauce. Now you may want to add some water to this, mix it up and put it into the pot. I recommend that you don't do that because we're cooking this to get rid of that extra moisture, just so we have a nice thick sauce. Next I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Now this is all to taste, of course. So feel free to use a little bit more or a little bit less of the ingredients. Next I'm going to add about a clove of garlic that I've just crushed up. Next about half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. And again I'm just guesstimating roughly how much. Then about a pinch of allspice. And a pinch of cinnamon. And just add some salt, not too much, or you can use more if you like, it depends on how you like your sauce, and as well as some black pepper. So it's incredibly simple, just give it a stir to combine all the ingredients, and we're just going to let this cook over this low heat for half an hour. What that's going to do is it's just going to reduce it and just turn it into a nice thicker paste by simmering out some of the liquid, but it will also give it a chance for all those lovely ingredients to infuse into each other, which will give a lovely sugar-free ketchup or tomato sauce, whichever way you want to call it. Okay, so it's been half an hour. Now as you can see, it is reduced nicely, and just see how it pulls away, and you can see the base of the pot when you do this with a spatula. It means it's nice and thick and ready. So at this point just simply take it off the heat and just let it cool down to room temperature, and in that time it will thicken up even more, because now it's well thick, it will thicken up once it cools down. So just take off the heat and let it cool. Okay, so it's completely cooled down, and there's our delicious keto sugar-free ketchup. So if you love ketchup or tomato sauce, even if you're not on a keto diet, this is just simply a much healthier version. Because ketchup in the shops can have up to 40 to 50% pure sugar. That's how bad it is for you. All you have to do now is just simply place it into an airtight container and just keep it in the fridge for when you need it, and it should last for up to a month. So whether you want to use this as part of a keto diet, or you just want a much healthier version than what you buy in the shops, either way, this keto ketchup was going to taste simply delish.